Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to muffle audio in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. This is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can access. You have your audio recorder option right here and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get the desired muffled audio sound for our track. So I'm going to open up this audio recorder option right here. This is going to open up this recording menu where at the top of the screen we have the big red circle to start recording and so on. And once you're finished with our tracks and we want to add the muffled sound, we want to go right here into the upper left corner, click this middle button to open up this edit mode where we can find all the tracks we can access. So in the tracks right here, you can see I have all my tracks, I have my keyboard, my drums, and my audio recording option. And now let's say I want to add the muffled sound here. Basically guys, what you want to do to get that effect is to go ahead and click on the icon of the instrument next to the track, and this is going to open up this new menu of options, and one of the options is going to be called automation. So you want to click on automation guys, and in the automation bar you now want to go ahead and get started with using the pencil option right here that you have and get started with editing the automation of your track. So the automation is going to help you get that muffled sound. You can reduce the sound to whatever you want, or you can increase it in certain parts of the track and so on to get your desired muffled sound effect. If you need more details, you can go ahead and Google them. How do you exactly get the muffled sound? It's always going to be done in the automation option right here. This is how you open up that, and now you can go ahead and be exploring with it and be creative. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.